Hi there, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday, January the 23rd, 2021. The fourth and last Sudoku I will solve for today is a 4 stars Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, and this will be number 2213. Alright, 2213. Alright, so let's get started. And before start, I always count the printed digits, so I have a kind of indication of the difficulty level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Printed digits. Alright. So let's get started, and the first question is, can we see here a single box? We see here a single box. Single box is always a 1. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. Okay, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 2 there, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Then I do a box, 1 and a 2. I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box. Do we have more triple boxes? Dual box? No. Triple box? No. Here we have a quadra box. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So 1 digit left. Should be a 2. No 5, of course. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, but also these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be a 1. And this should be a 2. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 5. Alright. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4. So it's a 5. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. I know those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. So the other pair should be the T construction. Yeah, the 3 and the 4 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and the 4. Okay. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. 1, 2, 3. Let me see. 1, 2, 5. Interesting. Okay. The difficult part, this one. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. But I cannot place the 2 there, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 Only solution should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. The 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Okay, but I have marked those 2 boxes with a 3. And I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution. The 3 should be there. Here cannot also be a 1. Because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Alright. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Okay. Let me think. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5 because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4 and this should be a 5. Alright, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair should be the 5 and the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. Then now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 4. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 4. This should be a 3. That means those 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 1. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Let me think. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. And I've eliminated the 5, so this cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. And those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so these 2 boxes could be a 2. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. 2, 2, that means that this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That means that the 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of these 3 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 2 should be there. Okay. 5, 5, okay. We have a 1 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. Okay. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright, so 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means those 2 boxes can be 3 or a 5. So the 3 and the 5 should be there, but I cannot place a 3 here. Otherwise, those 4 boxes cannot be a 3. So it must be a 5. And this should be a 3. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 anymore. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. I think this should be a 5, because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 1. 3 and a 1, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5, so 1 box left. For the 1, I've eliminated the 1 there, so the 1 should be here. This should be a 4. Alright, that means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. This box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. And the final box, this should be a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic with 4 stars. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you maybe tomorrow. I will continue with the other 4 Sudokus. I cannot promise you, but we will see. Have a great weekend. Bye bye for now.